Today we are going to learn about the human urinary system. The urinary system, also known as the renal system, is a specialized group of organs responsible for filtering excess fluid and waste products from the blood and excreting them from the body. This process is vital for maintaining homeostasis, the stable internal environment required for survival. The anatomy of the urinary system. The system consists of two kidneys, two ureters, a urinary bladder, and the urethra. First, let's look at the kidneys. These bean-shaped organs are located just below the rib cage on either side of the spine. They serve as the primary filtration units of the body. The ureters. These are two thin tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder through waves of muscle contractions called peristalsis. The urinary bladder, a hollow muscular sac that stores urine until it is ready to be expelled. It can expand significantly to accommodate volume. The urethra, the tube through which urine leaves the body. In males, it also serves as a passage for semen, whereas in females, it is strictly for urination. Now, let's talk about the process of filtration. The nephron. The functional unit of the kidney is the nephron. Each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons, which process blood through three distinct stages. Stage number 1. Glomerular filtration. Blood enters a cluster of capillaries called the glomerulus. The pressure forces water and small solutes like glucose, salts, and urea out of the blood and into the Bowman's capsule, creating a fluid called filtrate. Stage number 2. Tubular reabsorption. As the filtrate moves through the renal tubule, the body reclaims useful substances such as water, glucose, and essential ions, returning them to the bloodstream. Tubular secretion. The remaining waste products and excess ions like potassium and hydrogen are actively secreted from the blood into the tubule to become part of the final urine. Now, let's talk about some key physiological functions. The urinary system does more than just produce urine. It is a complex regulatory center. Function number 1. Waste excretion. It removes nitrogenous wastes, primarily urea, which is a product of protein metabolism, and uric acid. Fluid and electrolyte balance. It regulates the concentration of sodium, potassium, chloride, and calcium in the blood. Acid-base balance. By excreting hydrogen ions and reabsorbing bicarbonate, the kidneys maintain blood pH at approximately 7.4. The next function is blood pressure regulation. The kidneys release the enzyme renin, which initiates a hormonal pathway, the RAAS system, to increase blood pressure when it drops too low. Another function of the urinary system is erythropoiesis. The kidneys produce erythropoietin, EPO, which is a hormone that stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. Regulation and hormones. Urinary function is largely controlled by hormones. The antidiuretic hormone, ADH, secreted by the posterior pituitary gland, it signals the kidneys to reabsorb more water when the body is dehydrated. Aldosterone, produced by the adrenal glands, it increases the reabsorption of sodium and water, helping to regulate blood volume and pressure. Sources are in the description.